Bengi ya Equity nĩgĩte na gĩikaro kĩa o mwaka rungu rwa Wings to Fly na Elimu Scholars gĩa gĩthomo kĩrĩa gĩtanyĩtwo gũtara arĩa maraheo ũteithio wa marĩhi ma thukuru nĩguo magĩe na ũhoti na ũũgĩ wa ũtongoria.
We get together to get to know one another, to share ideas, to have discussions about where we are headed, and to forge a united vision of our future together, a future that we are all going to be part of shaping.
Is a worth cause contributing. And it's not only for Kenya, but globally, because the people who are learning about what the foundation is doing in this program are many, but it has had impact in all those countries. Uganda, in the northern side area, it was an area that was characterized by war, and the kids we got were from those areas.
Arutwo aya nĩmoritio kwĩrutanĩria mathomo-inĩ mao na harĩa maremererwo makahoya ũteithio kũrĩ arutani.
What matters is you as a student. You are not going there because of the infrastructure that are in your school. You are there to learn. Make use of the teachers that you have in that school.
Oho amwe arĩa magunĩkĩte nĩ ũteithio ũyũ wa Wings to Fly nĩ matogeretie gĩkundi nĩ ũteithio ũrĩa mamũkĩrire hĩndĩ ya gĩthomo kĩao.
Whenever you get an opportunity as Wings to Fly scholars, get to know each other. I think one of the outstanding impact of this program is the community of friends you build from here. You can imagine to this date that I am still in touch with most of the scholars and friends I made here, most of whom we've gone on to do great and beautiful things in life, and we are still in touch.
One thing I realized is you have to dare to dream, and then you meet people along the way who are dreaming like you are.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mweru wa Njuguna.